Take command of the road in the 2014 Jeep Cherokee. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as a rear window wiper, one-touch window functionality, a roof rack, and a split-folding rear seat. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Call now to schedule a test drive.